Digestion in stomach and small intestine. From esophagus, the food enters into the next organ, that is called stomach. Very, very important organ. When the food enters into the stomach, the inner lining of the stomach contains some glands. They are called gastric glands. These gastric glands will produce gastric juice. It will help for the digestion of the food, digestion of protein. Hydrochloric acid, enzyme, pepsin, mucus. These are the secretions to help for the digestion of protein. Hydrochloric acid activate pepsin to act upon protein. For the protein digestion, pepsin acts. And mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach. The inner lining of the stomach will be protected from the acid by mucus. Hydrochloric acid also kill microorganisms. After digestion in stomach, the food will be moving into the next organ, that is called small intestine. Small intestine is a coiled structure, long tube of coiled structure. It is of 6.5 meter long. Can you imagine that? The movement of partially digested food from stomach to intestine is regulated by sphincter muscles present on the beginning of the small intestine. Small intestine receives secretions from pancreas and liver. Pancreas secretes trypsin and lipase. Trypsin helps for the digestion of protein. Protein digested into amino acids, and lipase digests fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Liver secretes bile. Bile juice will be stored in the gallbladder. After that, it will reach into small intestine. The glands present on the inner lining of the intestine, intestinal juice, it will secrete intestinal juice. This intestinal juice contain enzymes which helps for the digestion in the small intestine. Next, absorption. After digestion, the food will be absorbed into our body, to the blood. For that, our small intestine, intestinal wall consists of finger-like projections. You just imagine that, just like your fingers, finger-like projections. They are called villi. These villi contain blood vessels, which helps for the absorption of the digested nutrients. Similar forms of the nutrients, fatty acids, glycerols, other nutrients will be absorbed into this blood through these villi. Next, assimilation. The digested food will reach into the cells through blood wherever it is necessary, and from there it will be broken down again to release energy. This is called assimilation. And some food is stored in the form of glycogen in liver. The undigested food will be removed from our body. This process is called digestion. This happens with the help of large intestine. The undigested food will enter into large intestine. From here, with the help of water, the fecal matter will be moved to rectum, and from there, through a passage, it will be eliminated outside. That's called anus. Through that anus, it will be eliminated.